Hey guys, so welcome to another vlog. So guys, I haven't been vlogging for quite some time. Especially yung ganitong vlog, puro kotse ang mga binavlog ko. Kasi I started this channel guys. If you watched me, siguro a good 3 years ago. Yeah, almost 4 years guys. Pandemic. Diba wala tayong ginagawa. So yeah, I was doing a lot of car reviews before nung nag-uumpisa ako. Then when I met Basal, the Hungry Syrian Wonder, we started doing vlogs together. Actually, I was doing vlogs muna. Nakasama ko. Then eventually, I did vlogs also. Then, yeah, I was living in Alabang pa. Then I moved to BGC, which I'm here now. And as you read the thumbnail, it is my birthday, guys. So, I'm turning 43 in a couple of days. So, I'm celebrating with my family, with my girlfriend. We're having dinner later, guys, and I'm gonna bring you guys along some Morton's Steakhouse. So, as I believe Morton's is a steakhouse in the States. Not really sure, guys. You just have to check it out online. I saw it kasi it's nearby lang where I live. So, nakita ko siya and sabi ko, sige, maybe, you know, because I love steak naman, might as well try it there. Tapos, let's check it out and see if it's worth it, guys, diba? Kung worth yung price. Of course, with steakhouse, just like Wolfgang, like Mamu. Mamu is reasonably priced, guys, diba? As you all know, kung nakain ako sa Mamu. Reasonable siya. Sulit siya, especially for sharing yung steak nila, even their lamb chops. Wolfgang, pricey for me. Is it worth it? If you're asking me, hindi. Just because I think you can get better steak for cheaper. But I think a lot of people go there because of the name Wolfgang. And, you know, if you want to celebrate and you want to spend that kind of money, so be it. Right? That's your money. But ako, guys, I like yung, you know, places na for me na sulit, not super overpriced. Of course, in a restaurant naman, you're also paying for the ambience and stuff. Like this one, Morton's. Maganda yung ambience, guys. Based on what I saw on YouTube, maganda yung interior. So, dadalhin ko kayo dyan later. I'll just pick up Andrea. Then we're gonna bounce and check Morton's. And yes, 43 na ako, guys. But I don't really, naman, kasi ganun talaga. We all age, we all get older. Ang importante, and this is my birthday wish, is everybody that I love, and including the people who watch my channel, that you all are safe, healthy, and just always be positive. Take out the negativity. And everybody has problems, guys. We all have problems, whether small or big. What I pray for is we can get through those problems properly, diba? Yun lang naman yung importante, that we have people that love us and that we love around us. That's what I've been thankful for since the day I was born. You know, I grew up with, of course, a complete family with my parents. They have just showered me with love, with respect, and they always took care of me. I have good friends, my old friends from grades, junior pa nga in grade school. Until now, they're my friends. Until now, I see them. We play basketball together. And I'm grateful for that. Yun lang, okay na eh. I'm just happy. Material things are just material things at the end of the day. Of course, it's nice to have, diba? But I always, you know, basically believe that a fulfilling life is, you know, the people that you're surrounded by. And like I said, it's very important to have a family and friends that love you and who are there because they truly you know, care for you. So, yun. So, that's why I'm spending it with my beautiful girlfriend, my dad, my sister, and my sister's boyfriend. So, ilang okay na ako, masaya na ako. So, later, I'll show you Morton's. Let's check what the menu, let's check the prices, and let's see kung masarap. I'll let you know after the video kung masarap. So, enjoy this vlog. It's kind of different, guys. The people that watch my old vlogs know this is how I used to vlog. And I'm gonna mix it up, sometimes cars, sometimes about my personal life. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. Okay, let's get our shoes, guys. Magsi-sneakers lang ako. Bihira ako mag-pants, pero ngayon, because it's my birthday, I'm gonna wear pants. Hello guys, so we just came home from our birthday dinner and the dogs of Andrea. So this is Brown. That's... Where's Hash? This is Hash. Hash, say hi. Hash, Brown. Where's Yogi? Taco? Taco? Taco! Here, Taco. That's Taco. Yeah. Where's Yogi? Anyway, so yeah, we ate in Morton Steakhouse in BGC. So, if you're asking where, ayan si Yogi, oh guys. There's Yogi. Did you like dinner, babe?
Yeah, it was good.
He liked it. Anyway, sabihin ko na kasi guys, if magtataka kayo, well, you're gonna wonder kung magkano siya. So, by memory, siguro alam ko na kasi, of course, I paid for the dinner, so I kind of know how much it is. The location, guys, sa Uptown Mall, where Tesla is, paglabas mo, may Tesla. Yun, sa corner lang mo, ito may Morton Steakhouse. So it's nearby. Next to Uptown Mall mismo. So we were there, puno. So if I were you, online, yeah, mag-reserve kayo. Kasi pag walk-in, baka hindi kayo makapasok. Especially now na medyo bago pa yung place. So, we ordered for appetizer, ang nalalo ko is the scallops and bacon, prosciutto na mozzarella and may salad. Tapos, the crab. One more. Oysters, half shell. So, more or less, guys, nasa almost 2K each. 2K each dish. And they're not that much, guys, ha? Kasi alam mo na, fine dining, medyo matipid sila sa serving. Ganun talaga pag fine dining. It's good for sharing if you order a lot of different stuff. Pero kung isa lang, guys, I suggest order more. Because the soup, ayan, so soup naman, me and Andrea had French onion. My dad, Erica, and Rob had lobster bis. That was almost 900 per soup. Yan, more or less. 875, parang ganon. Then, we had, ayun, the means, which is the ribeye. That's the ribeye na in the Cajun. That was almost 8,000 for the ribeye, guys. Para alam nyo na, you kind of know what to expect when you go and order there.
It wasn't that much too.
It's
thick.
It's makapal naman siya. They slice it. Siguro there's like 6 to 8 slices. So you could share it naman. But that's why I ordered yung rack of lamb. The rack of lamb was almost 5 per rack of lamb. My honest lang is kulang sa seasoning. Medyo bland, guys. So if I were you, ask them for extra sauce and ask them for salt. Yung finishing salt nila. Kasi I find it kind of bland compared to Mamu. Kasi parang for me, Mamu for the price talaga malasa talaga yung pagkain nila. Whether it's their lamb or steak or even other dishes. The lobster ravioli, I suggest don't order that. It's too thick yung ravioli. Medyo doughy.
Yeah.
Hindi mo na malalasahan yung lobster actually. Yeah. To be honest. So skip that. That was also expensive, guys. Almost 2,000 rin yun. For ilang pieces lang. Tapos yung dessert yan. Medyo dun bumawi ang Morton.
We had more meals, babe.
Ano pa ba? Sorry, we had baked potato.
Potato gratin.
Potato gratin. Mahal rin, nasa 700 per, side dish lang yan, guys. Garlic rice. The gratin.
I like their complimentary bread.
Their complimentary bread. Fantastic. Buti na they gave us 2 extra pa uwi, guys. Nag-request kami ng buo. Si Van yung waiter doon. Napakabait.
Yeah.
If you're gonna request a waiter, si Van. Yung experience natin si Van. Sa dessert, we had key lime pie. Reasonable, 395, 400 bucks. Malaki naman siya. The cheesecake, walnut cheesecake, mas mahal yun Nasa almost, I think, 700. Tapos the sundae, to be honest, it's more whipped cream than sundae.
Yeah.
Like, it's huge, but it's a lot of whipped cream. Nasa 800 plus yun. Morton sundae, whatever. But if you have little ones, I suggest order that because they'll be happy with the sundae. They can share it. So, yun. The bill, guys.
No, there's more.
Ano pa?
The chocolate.
The chocolate. Yeah, masarap yun. The lava cake
lava
with vanilla ice cream and raspberries.
That was my favorite.
That's her favorite.
Yeah.
Actually, she enjoyed it because Andrea likes seafood. So, yung appetizer, sulit sa kanya. She loves oysters With me, guys, hindi ako masyado sa seafood masyado. Unless it's cooked. But anyway, you really pay for the ambience, the name, the experience of being there, I guess, right? But in terms of food, I think there are other better steakhouse, way cheaper. Mag-buffet na lang kayo, guys, actually, kasi sa hotel, di ba dati sa Sofitel, or mag-Okada, or yung sa, what's the one, Ilang-Ilang?
Yeah, Manila Hotel.
Yeah, Manila Hotel. O, di ba, may lechon ka pa yun. But like I said, you only go there to check, once a year, baka once every 2 years ka pupunta. Kasi ang dami. You have Wolfgang, you have Mamu, then you have Gordon Ramsay pa. Ang daming mga steakhouse na yun Nasulit yung presyo compared to this. But I'm not saying don't go there. If I were you, try it out. See how it is. For if you have a birthday or special occasion, anniversary, Christmas, whatever. Experience it. Okay naman yung staff, okay yung waiters, they're very attentive. That's what you are paying for.
Yeah.
Kasi mahal talaga eh.
And
The total bill, guys, wag mo na itanong kasi i-total mo na lang yung sinabi ko. Medyo malaki-laki. Papayat ka talaga. No, but it's okay. It's my birthday. And I'm just happy that I got to, spend it with my beautiful girlfriend here. My dad, of course, my sister, my family, basically. For me, that's priceless. Diba? So, I wanted them to try it out. Because my dad, he will never go there. My dad is the type na, that's too much. Ganun ang dad ko eh, that yung mentality. Ako naman,
Bore you fiesta nga.
I'm more, I do splurge occasionally sa pagkain talaga. Even when we go abroad, I like. Kasi I like to experience new things.
Hence
Para,
the sizes.
hence her wealthiness. Diba? Her healthiness. But anyway guys, yun lang. Okay lang. For me, try it out. If I rate it out of 10, ako mga 7. Something like that. Right? 6.5 to 7. Diba? If you're the type of person who likes fancy ambience and you know what I mean, then yeah, so be it. Pero if it's just food, marami pang mamu na lang, To be honest with you guys, yung lamb and yung steak na mamu, it's hard to beat for the price.
Yeah, that's true.
Guys, yung bill na yan, I could siguro order like 6 steaks. Easy. Yeah, 6 steaks. Easy sa mamu. Yan.
It was like 3 times of money.
Kasi I think mamu's like 3,000 something per steak. Ito, nasa 8,000. So, 2 steak per ano. But okay lang. Like I said, you're paying for the name. Diba? But, I enjoyed naman. I enjoyed because I'm with my loved ones. So, that's all guys. This is, matagal na akong hindi nagva-vlog ng ganito. I was telling them earlier, puro kotse. Now, I'm gonna mix it up guys. Do a lot of vlogs. I want to do a lot of travel vlogs. When we do travel, I want to show you guys to places that I haven't been to. So next year, we'll travel siguro further out naman. Hindi lang puro Japan. Kasi mahilig kami sa Japan, guys. I really want to go to Switzerland, New Zealand. Yan ang gusto kong puntahan. I also want to go to Turkey, Istanbul. Yan. I also want to go to Armenia. So anyway, guys, I'm 43. Life is good. Magti-2025. I hope everybody will spend time with their families this Christmas and New Year. And I'll see you in my next vlog. God bless. Bye-bye. Say bye. Film niya ako. Bye, guys!